Good morning. I know the wind's a little heavy, but it's calmed down a lot, let me tell you. This is our spot. We are camped right here on the road going to Chitna. We have a view of the Chitna River and Mount Blackburn is across the way over there. This is a gorgeous spot. This is a gravel road right here, and the pavement starts right there. Little bit of traffic, but not real bad. We had to put blocks under this one side here because it slopes, but other than that, it works great. Starlink worked fantastically, and our view is just outstanding. Yeah, you can see the dust in the air. But we weren't here all day yesterday, so everything was shut up. And we're about to leave here in a little bit to head up the road. What a view. What a view. Fantastic. And that's your pay area over there for that side. Now I want you to see, this looks no different than across the street. And look at the road. Okay, there's your pricing for this area here. I mean, it's beautiful and it's right on the water. However, I mean, you got the same thing across the way, and you can walk over here. Hey, works for me. Such a gorgeous area.
Oh, beautiful.
We found us another spot.
Hopefully quieter.
Yeah. Less traffic. We just need to chill for a couple days. We've been going pretty hard the last 3 or 4 days.
We're going at it pretty good.
See, they can park right there for free, right off the road. Yes, we had the AC on because it's a little warm, believe it or not.
Beautiful place, though.
Gorgeous, just gorgeous. And this is right north of Chitina.
They have a couple pull-offs along these lakes. You do not have to be permitted, from what we can tell, to park at the public access areas.
Yeah.
Now,
wherever there's a blue parking sign.
Yeah. There may not be no sign at all. If there's no sign at all, then it's fine too. But usually if it's Indian land out here, that means you got to get a permit. And we just seen on the nations where you got to get a permit to park. They got a sign right downtown.
Okay, we stopped here at Kenny Lake. It's on your way to Toke. Here filling up our water. And I don't know if you can see the red building through the trees there. That's the hotel. The water is behind the hotel. Very nice little girl in there in the store. That's where you pay your $5 to get your water. I didn't ask her how much to dump. I always forget about that. Sorry. This is a, they have water and power here. And they got the dump station. So, it's all good.
I guess it's back out this road here.
There's the hotel. They got showers, laundry, diner. And there's the little store where you pay.
They got mosquitoes. They got St. Bird here.
And, and they got propane too on the backside. And air if you need air for your tires.
Yeah, I think the air is free. That's the only thing free here.
Yeah. Nothing's free in Alaska. Except for some of the boondocking we find.
Yeah.
That's Mount Wrangell. Look at it. Look how it just goes right into the sky. That thing is over 14,000 feet. Yes, we're on the side of the road. Lots of traffic. It never fails when I go to film. But it is what it is, right? This is just gorgeous. But it's doable, right?
Yep.
You just have to go slow where there's ruts and potholes. But other than that, it looks pretty good.
Taking us a little bit of time to get back
Yeah.
in here. We're coming back in here 26 miles to a campground.
Whew.
Let's see. There's another pull-off.
Oh, these are really nice. Really nice pull-offs. That's what we like to look for.
Yep.
How many miles of this, honey?
The road itself is 42 miles to the end. We got to do about a little over half of it. We got to do 20.
And this is still in Wrangell St. Elias.
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
But we're on the north end, I would call it, the south end of the park, not the north side.
Yeah, south.
South end of the park.
But it's all dirt road, y'all. Well, the first half of it was paved.
The first third.
First third, okay.
We've been on this for a little while now.
All right. We do this because we're adventurous. We just gotta go.
Well, we're at 3,186 feet.
Woohoo!
And it's 73 degrees.
Oh. And the road is a bumpy. Jeez.
That's all good.
All right. We don't have but about a mile to go.
Yep.
Okay. See you there.